In this video, we're going to take a look at WISE and WIREX to see which one is better. So basically on WISE, you can send money internationally and you can also use it as an online bank account. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that they have a free plan, which is, as you can see, completely free to register for an account, but if you send money, you're gonna have a fee as low as 0.73%. Then we have WireX, which basically is the same, but it's used more for transaction between bank accounts. But on Wise, you can send money directly to them, and they can basically pick the money. As you can see, you can transfer them into their bank account or debit or credit card. So overall, I think Wise is better if you want to send money internationally and basically spend less on fees. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.